Good morning, children. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we will start with a new topic, division. The first thing which comes in our mind is, what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. To divide the things into equal parts, we can either use the equal sharing method or we can group the things. Let us study division as equal distribution. To understand the topic of division, let's listen to the short story. Once two friends decided to go to the apple garden to collect some apples. Then one friend got confused. He thought, how will we divide these apples? Then the other friend suggested, we will divide them by equal distribution. Then they kept two baskets and start putting apples equally, one in one basket and other one is the other basket. In a similar way, they keep on adding apples in the basket until their basket get full of apples. So children, this is we call equal distribution. Both the friends had collected equal number of apples. Children, can you answer now? How many apples are there in each basket? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of apples in one basket are 5. Let's count the number of apples in other basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in both the baskets the number of apples are same. Children, now what should be the answer here? There are 5 apples in each basket. In a similar manner, we can also find out how many apples are there in total. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the total number of apples both friends had collected are 10. We can summarize it as total apples both friends had collected were 10. Number of baskets in which they divided the apples were 2. Apples in each basket were 5. Now let's write it in terms of division. We write total number of things followed by symbol of division. Then we write the total number of groups to be made. At last we write the number of things we get in each group. And the terms we use here is total number of things is called dividend. Number of groups to be made is our divisor. And the things we get in each group is the quotient. To understand the concept better, let's solve one more example. We read it as 8 divided by 4. Here 8 bucks are given. We have to divide them into 4 groups equally. First, we put one bug in each group. When all the groups are filled, then we start filling the group with the next bug. Now children, we have filled all the 4 groups. Let's count the number of bugs in each group. In first group we have 1, 2 bugs. In the second group we have 1, 2 bugs. And in third group we have 1 and 2 bugs again, and in the last 4 group we have 1 and 2 bugs. So we have grouped 8 bugs equally into 4 groups. So each group is having how many bugs? 2. So we can also write it as here dividend is equal to 8, divisor is equal to 4 and quotient is equal to 2. Yes children, it sounds interesting when we are solving the example. Here comes one more for you. So let's read it first. 6 divided by 3 is equal to, what should come here? Let's find out. Now look at the picture. 6 ducks are given. We have to divide into 3 groups. Let's start dividing these ducks equally in 3 groups. First we put 1 duck in each group. Now all the groups are filled with 1 duck. Let's start filling with the next duck. 1 each in all the groups. Yes. Now what do you see in the picture? How many ducks are there in each group? It is 2. So we can write it, dividend here is 6 because we divide the 6 ducks here. Divisor is equal to 3. That is the number of groups we formed here is 3. Quotient is equal to 2. That is the number of ducks we get in each group is 2. I hope now we understand division as equal distribution well. Keep practicing. Thank you. Happy learning.